Today was our first full day in San José, Costa Rica. We did a DIY walking tour, saw the main sights, we tried the coffee, and lots of delicious local food.
Good morning, it's our first full day here in San Jose, Costa Rica, and we are going to try to explore as much as possible of the city today.
But it's Sunday, so it might be closed at some places.
But we are going to try to see as much as possible, and we are also going to try as much local food as we possibly can.
And that's the first thing for today, finding breakfast.
That's what we're looking for.
Gallo Pinto is often served as breakfast here in Costa Rica, and I just realized it's almost noon, it's almost lunch.
So they didn't have any breakfast. So we're going to try to find it at another restaurant. I saw a vlog about San Jose. They said it was good luck to touch this statue's woman's breasts. Looks like this could be it. And we found what we were looking for.
So much food, and it's really delicious. It's black beans with rice. We got some cheese, some banana, and eggs. Oh, it's all so good. Very good. I'm gonna be full the whole day.
If you look up things to see and do in San Jose, this building behind me is most likely going to be on top of everybody's lists. This is the National Theater of Costa Rica. The building itself is beautiful, and apparently they have excellent coffee in the cafe. So let's go and see if we can find a table and try the coffee.
This is typical Costa Rica, it's good. It's typical chorreal.
Yeah.
Recommend you.
Okay, I'll try that.
See?
Sure.
That's okay.
It looks really weak, but the scent is amazing. That's good coffee. It is really weak, but there are so many flavors in it. That's really good. I understand why people come to try the coffee. I wonder why there's a propeller underneath one of the statues here on the church. If you know, let us know in the comment section.
We stumbled upon Chinatown. A little unexpected. I didn't know they had a Chinatown here in San Jose. And unexpectedly, we have been shopping here. Since we've been diving a lot, we figured we should buy shirts with UV protection. Now Håkan can't lose me underwater. Perfect!
All the stars are so loud! There's a lot of police officers everywhere. I don't know if it should make you feel safe or unsafe. It's like walking into the Millennium Falcon.
This is the National Museum of Costa Rica. It used to be a fortress, and during the Civil War in the 40s it took heavy fire. You could actually still see the bullet holes.
The sun is about to set and I think we're ready for some dinner.
We're trying to find another traditional dish called Casado. It's kind of similar to the one we had for breakfast. It's supposed to be rice, beans and veggies.
Sounds good to me. And we're back where we began the day. Let's see if we have better luck this time.
Casado.
Casado is a dish that you can combine in many different ways. And we only want the vegetarian kind. And it was kind of hard to explain, and it was probably me being unclear. But hopefully we will have rice, beans and some veggies, I hope. So it's black beans, rice and some banana. Ooh, it's hot! Black beans are actually very sweet. Yeah, it's good.
We still have a couple of things we want to try before ending this vlog, so let's see if we can find a place that serves dessert.
Arroz con leche.
Con leche, sorry.
Es como rice with milk.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I wanted the Agua Dulce, and there was perfect. Agua Dulce.
Agua dulce.
We found what we were looking for just in the nick of time. This is arroz con leche. It's rice in milk and seems to be some kind of porridge thing. That is so good. It's so sweet. This is a favorite. This is not the last arroz con leche. We're gonna have one in Costa Rica.
Agua Dulce. This one actually is made with milk. It's hot water and some sugary-ish thing that makes it very sweet. Instead of having coffee in the morning or in the afternoon, you have an Agua Dulce. Oh, it's also very sweet. We had no plan for today, and it turned out to be a great day.
And tomorrow we're gonna pick it up again and do more fun stuff here in San Jose. Thank you so much for watching. Please click that like and subscribe button. It means a lot to us. See you in the next one.